Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the backup file and the target environment. Locate Vikas Pal, zip or Vikas Pal, tar, and make sure you have read permission. This prevents mid-process failures. Once found, verify the SHA-256 checksum so you know the archive is intact and untampered. Next, check the target system's OS, available disk space and user permissions. Mismatches cause partial restores. If necessary, mount remote storage now so the file is immediately accessible when you begin extraction. You now perform the core restore operations. First, copy Vikas Pal to the target using rsync or SCP with preserve flags to keep ownership and timestamps. This minimizes post-restore fixes. Once copied, extract with the correct tool, tar xzf for tar, gz or unzip for zip, so file permissions remain as intended. After extraction, run dependency installs via the System Package Manager or included setup scripts. Mismatched versions break services, so lock or verify versions before starting any daemons or apps. You finish by bringing services up in a controlled way and verifying integrity. Start critical services one at a time and watch logs and CPU/memory to catch errors early. Then validate data by spot-checking key files and running any included integrity scripts. This confirms the restore succeeded beyond simple file presence. If something goes wrong, consult logs first for permission or dependency errors. Make sure you have the snapshot or backup copy ready to roll back quickly to avoid extended downtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.